Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Mahlkonig K30 twin. And this grinder, it was brought in because it was showing that it needed grinder 2 to be cleaned. And what we found out is upon opening it is that this machine was super dirty and we needed to really give it a thorough cleaning. And after we did that, we went into the programming menu and reset the counters because after so many uses, and I think about 5,000 or so, and you can adjust that, it will automatically show an alarm like that. So here it is, functioning once again, and we'll test it. So I'll set it for the double, using the left grinder. And you can see that we're on a very fine grind for espresso, and it makes quick work of that. I mean, that took like 4 seconds, 4.5 seconds, something, for 20 grams. So there it is. Yeah, working great. Mahlkonig K30 twin. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos.